Brandon West. I live in St. Ignace, Michigan. I am the drummer for How to Drum, Not How to Drum. Originally drummer for Heavy Lies the Crown. Now moved to vocalist. But I am now playing with Collision Drumsticks. If you notice, I do tape them. Why? I don't know. It's not like they're slippery or nothing. I just prefer to tape them. But yeah, I really like them. There's nothing at the moment I could say bad about them, to be honest. Customer service was awesome. Like, it was just fluent. I can't say anything bad about them, to be honest. My cymbals, as you can see in the video soon, they are pretty beat up, chipped, just cracked, whatever. And, you know, with other sticks, you know, you play on them, and you can see that they really get chewed up really bad and stuff like that. And to be honest, these haven't really done it too much, which is actually very surprising to me that these sticks have held up for this long.